Well, hello there, everyone, and happy Thanksgiving. You know, Thanksgiving is seriously my favorite holiday because, of course, it's all about food, and it's also a time to reflect and count our many blessings. And I just want to say right up front that I am so grateful to each and every one of you who subscribe to my channel, who give me thumbs up, share my videos, and those of you who try my recipes and you leave me a comment and let me know. That all means the world to me. I am just so blessed, and you guys are the reason why I do what I do. I just love sharing my recipes with you all. And today is a special day because I'm going to be making something using Thanksgiving leftovers. Now, if you're like me, I'm always looking for ways to use up those leftovers, and today's perfect. I'm making a Thanksgiving leftover hand pie, and these are great. You can use whatever you want in them. So let's get started because it's time to cook. All right, so I have all of my leftovers out here on my counter, and I also have 2 of these pre-made pie crusts. We are keeping it simple today, guys. The nice thing about making these is you can use any of your leftovers that you want. These are your Thanksgiving leftover hand pies. So be creative, put your favorite leftovers in your hand pie. I'm just going to show you a couple different variations of things I'm going to put in mine just to give you some ideas. This should be lots of fun. So yeah, let's get started. All right, I'm going to sprinkle a little flour down on my counter. And then I'm going to roll out my pie crust here. And then I'm just rolling it out very slightly with this rolling pin. All right, and this is the cutter that I'm going to use, and it's the largest one I have. It's 5.5 inches. The reason I'm using this one is because I'm going to put the filling in and then fold it. But if you have a smaller cutter, you could kind of put one on top of the other. Like have one, put your filling, and then put one on top. But this is the one I'm using. All right, so I've taken my scraps and I'm going to roll them out. Okay, so I ended up with 9 circles. I actually have one extra, it's a little smaller. And then I have 1 egg, and I'm going to add a little bit of water to this and then give it a whisk, and this is going to be my egg wash. All right, so in a few of my hand pies, I'm going to put some of this cranberry sauce. I'm not going to put it in all of them though, because not everybody likes it. Then I'm going to place some turkey. All right, and then I'm going to put some stuffing on top. All right, this is some gravy. Now, it's cold, so it's congealed, but I'm just going to put a little dollop on there just to moisten everything when it's get hot. I'm going to take a pastry brush and just kind of go around the edges because we're going to use this as our glue. All right, then just fold it over, trying to hold everything inside as you fold it over. And take your fork, just go all along the seams there, crimping the seams together there. All right, I'm gonna make a couple with some mashed potatoes. I'm going to put just a little bit of gravy on them, and then I'm going to place some turkey. All right, guys, so just for the fun of it, I'm going to make one with everything. A little dollop of gravy. All right, I'm going to place them on a sheet tray here that I have greased with some non-stick spray. All right, I'm going to take some of this egg wash and go over top. Some of them, as you can see, kind of busted open as I was folding them over. And that's okay because we're going to cut slits into the tops anyway. So I'm just going to take a knife and cut some slits in the top of each pie. All right, and then I'm gonna bake them in a 375-degree oven for about 15 to 20 minutes or until they're golden brown. Okay, so the hand pies just came out of the oven. And these hand pies make a wonderful lunch. Put them in your lunch box, take them to work. You can eat them cold or hot. You can freeze them, and you can freeze them like after they have been baked, or you can even freeze them unbaked. All right. These are so good. Just look at this. That is like having Thanksgiving in a pie. So, so good. And what a great way to use up those Thanksgiving leftovers. And if you guys do make these, please let me know. I love hearing from you all. And again, I want to say, I hope you have a very happy Thanksgiving. And I pray God's blessing on each and every one of you, for He is who I am the most grateful for. And as always, I will see you soon with more delicious recipes.